I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Legal World. Myself Dr. Seema Goyal. In the series of jurisprudence, today I am going to discuss one of the most important concepts relating to the law and justice. My question is, discuss the concept of law and justice in India and how they are different from each other. If we talk about the Indian judicial system, that is one of the oldest judicial system in the universe. And the functions of our Indian polity, that is divided among the three organs. That is legislative, executive and judiciary. And there is the concept of separation of power that is working among these three organs. And the legislative and executive go hand to hand, but the Indian judiciary that is independent in it itself from the other two organs, that is legislative as well as executive. Indian judiciary plays an important role in the safeguarding of the and protecting the interest of the people, and also provide a platform for speedy justice to them. And the highest court in India, that is the Supreme Court in our Indian judicial system. It is the apex court of India and it is the custodian of the constitution also. We all are the part of society and it is the main function of the state to maintain the law and order in the society. And justice, which is the main soul of every judicial system, can be maintained in the society by the law. We all are the part of the society and it is the main function of the state to maintain the law, peace and order. And the justice, which is the soul of every judicial system, can be maintained in the society by the law. Thus, the administration of justice is essential by which legal system of the government is executive. It is the main function of the state or the government to maintain law and order and to protect the rights of every person in that state. If we talk about the concept of law and justice, the concept of law and justice that is oftenly confused. Both are connected to each other, but not the same thing. They are looking like a synonyms, but they are different from each other. The term justice, that is a broad term, which is based on equality of rights, fairness and morality. While the term law, that is the body of rules and regulations and standards that is set up by the government and international bodies, which is based on the idea of justice. Laws are the norms which are in written form that regulates the actions of the citizens as well as the government itself in all the aspects. On the other hand, justice, that is a principle which may or may not be recognized. Thus the term law and justice seems to be similar, but they are different concepts in the certain ways. These ways are: number one, law is a system of rules, regulations, principles, standards and norms which is created by the state or the government in order to regulate the life and actions of the citizens. Second, laws are found in the written form, in the form of courts. They are enforceable by the government and its bodies, including the security forces, police and judiciary, etc. While the justice is more broad concept, which is based on the idea of equality, equal protection of rights, fairness, and based on the moral principles which describe the certain standard of human behavior. Thus, we can say that all the laws which are based on the idea of justice and need to be implemented and enforced in just way, without any discrimination of the religion, race, caste, sex, race, place of birth or any of the other status. So this was all about the law and justice. And this is also one of the most important concepts for the coming exam. If you have any doubt, you must put down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for the further update. Thank you.